If you want to move the media output button on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, which by default it is over here in quick settings, if you want to move it to notifications instead, into the notification tray, then we're gonna go to the quick settings first. There we go, and tap on this pen icon in the top right corner. Now we're gonna go to panel settings, and here we need to switch from separate to together. So we will also revert to the whole style for notifications. So we will have the old notification tray from previous Samsung devices. And over here we can tap on the device control and media output buttons, and we can switch to show when quick panel collapsed. So now if we go back, press done, as you can see we have our old notification tray with the media output button in this place. You can still find it in quick settings, which now can be accessed by swiping down twice instead of just swiping once on the right side. And the media output button is still here, but also in addition to that it is here as well. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!